I'm in downtown Colombo. Behind me is the Port City, one of the most famous Chinese projects, halfway through because, well, funding tap closed because of the economic turmoil. 24 hours to go for the elections. Let's do the famous tuk-tuk check or the auto rickshaw and taxi driver check that we must do before an election. So here I am getting into a tuk-tuk here in Colombo to understand the pain points in this election and why the common man on the street still feels nothing has changed. Come along. All right, sir. Let's drive around and understand what you say is the main issue. So, according to you, sir, what is the biggest issue on which this election is being fought?
This time, people selection.
Yeah.
The people selection, new party. New party, Anura Kumara Disanayaka.
So, AKD is the party that is coming?
Yes, coming, 100% sure.
Why is that? Why do you say that? Because everybody says his ideas are just too radical.
You know, Sri Lanka, very nice country. You know, everything have. Sri Lankan can make easy rice, vegetable, fruits enough, and water also enough have, and population enough, 22 million. The last whole party not going right way. Sri Lankan down. All people take under money. All politicians.
So you are saying corruption is an issue?
Yes, all party corruption. AKD party, no corruption, very good gentleman.
But people say that his economic policies may not be perfect for Sri Lanka.
Yeah, economic can Sri Lankan start in agriculture.
We can drive slowly, sir. Yeah, slowly.
Start in agriculture, start in tourism. I think very easy can develop Sri Lanka.
And what about the fact that is he pro-China? Because here you are, so many projects by China have not been completed because money has stopped. People say he's pro-China.
There's so many Chinese projects coming. Actually, lot of people don't like China. China like mafia. Mafia mean dragon.
So why does AKD like China?
I don't like. No. AKD no help in China. Our mother country India. Our close country India. We all are like Indian people. Culture same, people same, or everything same India.
Is now cost of living a major problem because high cost of everyday living?
Actually, everyday living high cost. Why? You know, before Sri Lankan agriculture, before president not giving everything, agriculture go down, tourism go down, everything go down. You know, example before
Slowly, yes.
before Sri Lankan one egg before Corona, 12 rupees.
Now how much?
After coming 50-60 rupees.
60 rupees for one egg?
One egg. Now like
Okay,
a 40
let's
rupees.
stop here. Yes, let's stop here. Yes, okay. But thank you so much. You took a tour of the round. You took a round of the Sports City Square to get a sense of what's the issue right now and the mood right now before the election. It's scheduled for tomorrow. AKD is one name that I'm hearing on the street. Even though a lot of people feel that his policies may be too radical, maybe it could start a reset. But most importantly, are they viable? That's the question we'll find out. As I said, 24 hours and we'll know the answer. In Colombo for NDTV.